in this segment, we're going to cover installing the plug wires. After installing the valve covers, we're going through the reverse procedure. If we lay the plug wires back out where they came, you'll see their length and how they're held in their loom. It all lays out into a chronological order. And as you remember, I've got the nut here. I've got this bracket assembly that attaches to the valve cover with this 10 it's a 6mm bolt with a 10mm nut that we removed earlier. So first we'll replace that. Thing to remember with automotive repair is patience. If you get frustrated, I mean, it's real easy to get in a hurry and kind of force things, cross-thread fastening devices. So just take your time and be patient. They can be difficult at times. After putting it in finger tight, I'll just quickly tighten it down. Just bring it to where it's snug and just give it a little additional twist. It doesn't require a lot of torque. They're small bolts and then break easily. Now we simply just install the plug wires one at a time. When you slide it down in, push it, you'll kind of feel it click, and then make sure that outer cap, just run your hand around it and push it down and make sure that it seals tightly on the top. Install each wire. And that's all there is to installing the plug wires. And that's all to installing the plug wires. Please watch our next segment on installing the hoses.